So last week, we promised you a recap of 2019, but we're gonna do it top 10 style. There were so many things that happened last year. Ash and I have a few that stood out. I'll kick it off with my number 5, which is... So Kanye West brought his pop-up Sunday praise service right here in Kingston, Jamaica at the Emancipation Park.
Nice. Yes, I like that one. My number 5 is the storming of Area 51. You remember that?
Yeah.
When people did want to break into Area 51, find out what is what with the who's and whats.
Yeah, okay. All right. Number 4. Sean Paul was awarded Jamaica's Order of Distinction.
Nice.
Woohoo!
I think my number 4 will be James Bond filming in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, I think that was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was good.
In the number 3 spot, Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce winning her 4th 100-meter title in Doha. Mommy Rockets at it again.
Oh yeah, I like that one, Ash. My number 3 is Shaggy appearing as Sebastian in the wonderful world of Disney Little Mermaid live musical.
Yes.
Of course, representing Jamaica loud and proud.
Yes. Holding firm in number 2 for me, Beyonce dropping her homecoming behind the scenes Netflix documentary, right?
Yeah.
It was so good. I cried tears, I laughed. I was right there with you, Beyonce, right there with you.
Never drop Beyonce. in her top 5.
It wouldn't be right.
It would
It
not
be
be
right.
Ashley's top 5. I'm just saying. My number 2, simple. Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert, one of the biggest ever in Jamaican history. Like, listen, when I tell you, the place ram jam scram like
Don't
ridiculous.
And finally, number 1 for me, Coffee's Grammy nomination. She had the big things.
She
And
really
2020 is going to be even bigger for her.
I know, and in the big spot for me, Miss Jamaica World, Tony and Singh cuffing the Miss World title.
Amazing.
Got a girl, yes. Jamaica on top of things. What made your 2019 intense? Send us a DM at TVJ Intense and we'll post it.